going to show you how to make fried noodle. How to make fried noodle. Ingredient: 200 grams of noodle, 3 cloves of garlic, an egg, a carrot, 150 ml of water, a tablespoon of sweet soy sauce, a teaspoon of salt, celery. Boil a liter of water and give a teaspoon of salt and a tablespoon of vegetable oil. Put the noodle in and cook for 3 minutes. After that, drain it. Next, stir-fry the garlic. Add the eggs and carrot. Pour some water and let it boil. Next, add some salt, soy sauce, the noodle. Cook it well. Next, after that, serve it on a plate and spread the celery on it. The food is ready to eat. Jangan lupa subscribe dan like. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum.